Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Snoop Dogg, a name synonymous with West Coast hip-hop, has a past that includes run-ins with the law. Many fans wonder about his time in jail or prison. It's a complex story, often misunderstood, especially given his public persona today. While he was arrested many times, actual convictions leading to significant jail time are fewer than some might assume. To understand why Snoop Dogg faced jail time, we need to look at different periods of his life. First, his early life in Long Beach, California, played a big role. Born Calvin Broadus Jr., Snoop Dogg grew up in a tough neighborhood. He became involved with gangs, specifically the Rollin' 20 Crips. This association led to several arrests in his late teens and early 20s. These were often for drug possession or related charges. He spent time in county jail during this period. These weren't long sentences, but they were real experiences with the criminal justice system. He was in and out of jail for various drug charges. The most serious legal trouble Snoop Dogg ever faced was a murder charge in 1993. This happened right after his debut album, Doggy Style, was released. His bodyguard, McKinley Lee, shot and killed Philip Woldemariam. Woldemariam was a rival gang member. The shooting happened in Palms, Los Angeles. Snoop Dogg was driving the car. Prosecutors argued he was an accomplice. This made him face first-degree murder charges. He turned himself in. He was out on bail for a long time. The trial lasted for months. It was a huge media spectacle. The prosecution claimed it was a gang-related execution. The defense argued self-defense. They said Woldemariam was stalking Snoop Dogg and his crew. They said Woldemariam had a gun. In 1996, after a long and intense trial, Snoop Dogg was acquitted of murder. He was also acquitted of voluntary manslaughter. This was a major turning point in his life. He always maintained his innocence regarding the actual shooting. Even after the murder trial, Snoop Dogg faced other legal issues. These were mostly minor compared to the murder charge. He had arrests for drug possession. There were also arrests for gun charges. These happened in the late 1990s and 2000s. For example, in 1997, he pleaded no contest to a gun charge. He received a 3-year probation sentence. In 2007, he was arrested at Burbank Airport for possession of marijuana and a firearm. He received community service and probation. These instances typically resulted in fines, probation, or short stints in county jail. They were not long prison sentences like the ones he avoided with the murder acquittal. So, to be clear, while Snoop Dogg spent time in county jail for various offenses, especially in his younger years, he never served a long-term state or federal prison sentence. The murder acquittal was the biggest factor in shaping his legal history and allowing him to continue his career. Thank you for watching this deep dive into Snoop Dogg's past legal troubles. It's a part of his story that many people find fascinating. If you learned something new today, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more celebrity deep dives and interesting stories. We appreciate your support.